Hi, welcome to our channel. 2024 BMW X6M review and prices. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. Pros. Massive power from its twin-turbocharged V8. Impressive handling performance. High-quality interior packed with features. Cons. Stiff and sometimes unyielding ride. Distinctive styling limits rear headroom and cargo capacity. Compromised rear visibility. What's new? The BMW X6M returns unchanged for 2024. Part of the third X6 generation introduced for 2020. The prices. MSRP range, $113,700. Overview. Back in 2008, BMW introduced the first X6, an SUV based on the X5 but with a distinctive sloping rear roofline for a sportier appearance. 2 years later, BMW added the X6M, which had the power and performance to match its styling. While we agreed the profile had an athletic shape, we weren't convinced its related drawbacks would catch on. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.